Hi, my name's Rick. I'm from Bedford, New York, and I retired 6 years ago and began walking 4 to 6 miles as exercise a day. And all of a sudden, 6 months ago, my knees started to bother me. I could hardly walk. I was at a pain level of about 10, could not bend. Saw an orthopedic doctor who suggested and recommended that I have surgery because I had meniscus tears in both knees. After doing some research, I found out that surgery can have many post problems, and then read about regenerative care and found out about Optimum regenerative care. Came in, had injections in both knees, and can tell you now that I am pain-free. And after about 3 weeks from when I received my injection in each knee, I began walking my routine again of 4 to 6 miles a day. I highly recommend to anybody who has the pain that I did should come in and at least look into Optimum regenerative care.